Hey y'all, this is Wanda Ewing from the Wanda Ewing Show right here in the beautiful studios of WNZN, your two-time Stellar Award-winning, listener-supported urban inspiration station. Listen, I'm here to talk to you about my sister and my brother, okay? Pastors Hector and Joanna, they're having an amazing event. It is entitled Sounds of the City. It's going to be held right here in Northeast Ohio. You have two opportunities. You can go to Cleveland on Saturday at 6 p.m. or right here in the beautiful city of Lorain, Ohio, 6 p.m. Listen, I have some places where you can go. It is called I Rise, and you can go you can give a call to 407-486-8880 for more information. There are opportunities for more info and for sponsorship. You sponsors out there, come support this. Come sow into good ground. I only support things that are kingdom related, and this is. Listen, your girl, Wanda Ewing, once again, Sounds of the City. Be there.